Installing H2O Rich. Turn off the water supply. Unscrew and remove the aerator from the end of your faucet. Hand tighten the dual thread adapter to the end of your faucet. Hand tighten the diverter to the adapter. Position H2O Rich in a desired location and measure its distance from the faucet. Trim the PE tube with a sharp knife to a length equal to the distance measured. Connect one end of the tube to the diverter and the other end to the inflow fitting at the bottom of H2O Rich. Along the length of the tube, choose a desired position to place the pre-filter. Cut the tube in half at the chosen point. Connect the tube's opening ends to the fittings with respect to the flow direction marked on the pre-filter. Insert the mini faucet into the outflow fitting on the top shroud. Turn on diverter switch and flush only cold water for 3 to 5 minutes. Verify if there is any leakage and the treated water is ready to be served. Changing filter cartridge. Place a towel under H2O Rich and remove top shroud. Pour out remaining water on top and twist counterclockwise to open the bracket. Take out the cartridge. Pour out remaining water. Place a new cartridge inside the base. Twist clockwise to close the bracket. Place top shroud back. Turn on the tap and diverter switch. Verify if there is any leakage and the treated water is ready to be served. H2O Rich, brought to you by Longrich.